Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ashir Kirk here with Measured Tones Institute of Quran. Let's get started right away, not waste any time. Bismillah. First letter we have here is Dhal. Next combination here, Jim Dal. Next one, Kha Dhal. Kha is heavy, so I'm making my mouth round. Kha Dhal. Next letter, Ra. This is one way that you'll see Ra written. However, there are other ways we will see in just a moment, inshallah. Za. Again, this is one way, and we'll see another way in a moment. Next combination, Jim Ra. That's how Ra is going to look at the end of a word, connected to the letter that's coming before it. Next one, Kha Za. Again, Za is coming at the end of a word, looking the same, plus a dot. Now, here's another way that Ra can be written. So this is Ra. Nothing about it changes. Nothing is different. Za. Again, same. Nothing's different. Now here's a different way that the Ya is written. You may not have seen it before, especially if you haven't done this series. But this is Ya Ra. So there's another way the Ya can be written at the beginning of a word. I should be making a video, if not having already made the video, talking about the different ways that letters look when you combine them at the beginning of a word, particularly the Ya, Ta, Tha, Noon, and Ba, and so on. So inshallah, I'll be linking that in this video for you to refer to, inshallah. So this is Ta, Za. Next letter, Sin, Sheen, Sin, Lam, Sheen, Lam, Sad, Dad, Ta. And that concludes. If you benefited from this video, please do like, subscribe if you haven't already, encourage others to do the same, and share this video. Jazakumullahu khaira. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.